In this lecture, I'm going to explain you about how to search keyword using the keyword planner. So I'm going to search for Google Keyword Planner, and this is the keyword planner website. I have already explained you about how to make use of the keywordtool.io website to search a keyword. But if you feel that the amount to subscribe to the keywordtool.io website is so high, you can very well make use of this keyword planner website because it is completely free and it belongs to Google. Now in this lecture, I'm going to teach you about how to make use of the keyword planner website. So let's log into the website using the email address. I'm entering my Gmail and password here. So it is loading. This is the Google Planner page. So here you have to enter the keyword. I'm entering it as iPhone. After that, you have to just click on Get Idea. Once you click on it, you will get all the keyword suggestions right here. As you can see in the screen that there are many keyword suggestions for the keyword iPhone. Filter it out with average monthly searches and find a keyword for you. So you can see that the traffic is really high. It is between millions and thousands. So here you can change your location. You can select any language. Since many languages are present here, you can select your language in this option. And if you do not want a keyword in your research, then you can enter that keyword in this negative keywords section. So if you enter that keyword right here, you will not get a keyword suggestion including that word. So after that, you can see that there is show average monthly searches for last 12 months. Do not change this option. Please let it be as it is. And there are many options for keyword filters. Do not make any changes right here. It is useful for AdWords, but for now we are just going to concentrate on how to research keywords. So do not touch any options in this section. I am just showing you what are the options available here. So after this, if you want to include a keyword, you can give the keyword right here. For example, if you want a buy in your keyword, you can give that word in this box so that you will get a keyword suggestion with the word buy. You can even download the keywords. You can see that an option download is available right here. Click on download and select Excel CSV. So this option is an apt option for the keywords to be downloaded in your Excel sheet. So click on download. You have to give a save file. You can see that all the keywords has been downloaded and it is given in an Excel format. So do not concentrate on competition because I have created a lecture for you. So you will learn about it in my upcoming lectures. Now only concentrate on average monthly searches. So this would be enough to search a keyword using the keyword planner. You have to select sort of filter and then click on sort Z to A. So when you do this, you will get the keywords with a monthly search that has higher traffic in the beginning. So you can easily select your main keyword when you sort out the monthly searches. The word iPhone has really many traffic and it is going on. These keywords have really good traffic, so you can select any keyword from those lists as a main keyword, and after that you can select your primary keywords. As you can see that they too have thousands of traffic, so you can even select your primary keyword with the next list, and with the next type of list you can find your long tail keywords. If you want to select a keyword as buy iPhone covers, you can again search it in the word planner and you can again find out good keywords. using the same method. There are really good suggestions available here. You can very well make use of this to filter out good keywords. If you want to find the traffic, you can even search it in the Google. So if you get ads when you search a keyword, then you can very well confirm that that keyword has really great traffic and you're right in the way that you have chosen. So make sure you are doing all these confirmations before selecting your keyword. There are a lot of options available in this Google Planner. Make sure that the average monthly search for each keyword is very high. You should also remember that you will get only 30% of the traffic to your website if it gets ranked in the first page. For example, per month you can get 300 visitors or more, but you won't get the exact traffic that is shown in the list. So always make note of it and remember it in your mind. Then you can also change the column settings by clicking on this option. So once you are finished with your search and if you want to begin a new search, click on Tools and select Keyword Planner. So you can see that again a new page will be open for you and you can again start your research. So this is how the Keyword Planner website works, and as I said you, it is completely free. You can make use of this website to select good keywords for your website. You can get your main keywords, long tail keywords and primary keywords from this website. So make sure you're using it very wisely. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to contact me. I'll be always there to help you.